more people know about this, the more people want to do this. This is a great opportunity for anybody that wants to get into the field.
There's so many different things you learn. Everything from power tools to learning what makes up your house from inside to out, learning trim work. So much is offered.
You just get more of like hands-on opportunity to really learn what you're being taught in class.
There's several layers of degrees that you can get. You can come in for just a certificate, which is just about 6 classes, so you can do that in as little as 2 semesters. You can go on to the technical certificate, which is considered a 1-year degree if you go full-time, and then you can go to the associate degree, which is a 2-year degree.
It has shaped my career goals in a much better way because I feel like I'm more prepared to go into the work field.
I've always wanted to do building construction, and I wanted to do design, build, and management, so I wanted to go ahead and start going to class for it and start learning a little bit more about it, so when it's time, I'll be ready to be able to build houses.
I really came into this wanting to gain confidence and learn more about safety and quality.
I just felt that it kind of gave me a broad horizon with future job employment and job opportunities coming along, and I've always heard that the field needs more workers my age, so I decided to give it a try.
As we look at HVAC and construction, our Career Link team has great relationships with our employer partners. So we try to work with those employer partners, determine what their needs are, and then try to find the right student to place them either in a job shadow opportunity or an internship.
Many of my students have 2 or 3 job offers before they graduate. The demand is so high.
Originally, I wasn't considering carpentry as a legit career, but honestly, I'm thinking about actually getting into carpentry field.
The confidence in yourself really helps, and it takes them out of their shell, and it puts them into a different environment where the weeks beforehand they didn't know what to expect, and then when they get out of there, they have a good feeling of where to go and what to do.
Take the leap. It seems scary in the beginning just because it's a lot of unknowns, a lot of parts you haven't worked with before, but you're never going to get better at it unless you try. So,
When workforce and education work together, great things are bound to happen. So connect with us today.